Do you love to garden? Join me for 10 minutes of light, low impact movement so we can keep you in the garden for longer. Let's just start. Bicep curls, hamstring curls. We're just gonna warm up the body. We're gonna be a little playful as we focus on bending, reaching, lifting, squatting, all things that we would do in the garden. A little bit of functional fitness so that when we get into the garden, we can move with incredible strength, stay in the garden longer, enjoy those things we love to do so much more. Twist now. Let's get the body nice and heated up before we get into our session. From our twist, let's go side bend. We'll move quickly. We're only going to be here for 10 minutes or so. Yes, stretch into it. Let's go back. Hamstring, bicep curl. You can squeeze and make a fist, so we're starting to develop that great grip strength. Certainly we want good grip strength when we're in the garden. Twist. If you have a chair nearby, we're gonna wanna grab it at some point. We're gonna do one exercise with a chair. Twist. And side bend. I'm in a community garden here in Helsinki. They have these scattered throughout the entirety of the city. This one is all around me. As far back as that tower behind me, this community garden goes. And just people in the city can get in queue to get one of these plots. It's really fascinating, amazing. Do they have these where you live? I don't remember them in Spain. I don't remember ever seeing them in Canada. I could be wrong though. Probably wasn't really paying attention back then. Okay, are we warm? Step to the side, toe pointed out, and we are going to pull back. Think of this as a pull and rock, like we were raking. Grab and make a fist. And feel it in the biceps, the forearms, creating this great grip strength, and rock up onto your hip too. Just get the lower body involved, so we're building some balance. Feel it in the core. You're gonna rake in the garden. You want good grip strength, good balance, core stability. And let's go to the other side. Ensure that the opposite hand is in front now. So feel that difference. Pull. We want to mix it up every once in a while. Even when you are in the garden, change the opposite hand when you're raking and things like that. Feel the difference that it creates. We create that dexterity. It's great for our mind too. It's just like brushing your teeth with the opposite hand sometimes. It's a brilliant and fun way to move in new and dynamic ways. Come on. Pull. It's really cool. Yeah. Can you feel it in your arms? Brilliant. And last one. Great. Okay. Let's hinge. Hinge at the hip. And then from here, row up for 3. Stand. And let's just twist a couple times. We're in the garden. We're going to be bending all the time. We bend. We've got to pick things up. Make a fist when you pull up as well. Feel it in your forearms. Really grip strong. Up and twist. The twisting is good for shooing the bugs. Hinge down. Row. Really strong fist. Feel it in your tricep, in your bicep. And then up and twist. We're going to be carrying buckets, cans of water, lots of things when we're in the garden. We want to develop great strength so we can do it with ease. How about that? Let's be in the garden when we're 120. Now that is a worthwhile pursuit. And up, twist, And let's go down one more time. And wherever you're at, maybe it's here today. It's great. If you can get a flat back, brilliant. But really feel that row. Strength, yes. Oh. And up and twist. Brilliant. We got to pull the weeds out a little bit more than shoulder width apart. And I'm going to lunge to the side and pull. Lunge, and again, pull. Great lower body. We're building flexibility, mobility in the hips, but also pull. Get those weeds out of the ground. Yes. Just find a nice flow for you and go. Lunge to the side, get down and pull. The movement in the garden is phenomenal. It does everything. The amount of benefits, we would need to do an entire episode on that for sure. Just getting out in nature. Obviously, the food that you're gonna grow and eat is remarkably healthy. Pull. Couple more. Pull. Feel it. Yes, grab it. Yeah, weed no more. Oh, shake it out. Just build that energy. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, okay. Balance. Ankle mobility. When we're in the garden, the uneven terrain, it's so great for us. Circle the arms forward and then back and come up on to the ball of your feet. Head up high. Just do your best. Swing the arms in as big a circle as possible, reversing the circle each time, but come up as high as you can on the ball of your foot. Engage the core. We want to have really great shoulder mobility when we're working in the garden, as well as balance. We're building a great calf strength, amazing leg strength here. As you can see, these movements are not that different than we normally do, but this is why we show up for our 10 minutes every day. So the things that we love to do, we can just do a little bit more efficiently, with a little bit more pleasure and freedom from pain and discomfort. Really, let's be in the garden when we get into our hundreds. How about that? Couple more here. Connect to the breath. If you stumble and fall, it is wonderful. Okay. Woo. Shake it out. Let's squat down a bit, just for a couple here. Squat to one side and then up high. You're moving something from the ground up onto a shelf maybe that you have in your garden. I can do that. Oh yes. Come up, go as low as you can and reach up high. Low, and when you're reaching, try to elongate. Let's lengthen our spine. And let's go to the other side. Maybe it feels different over this way. Just do what you can. Yeah, really reach. Pick it up and put it there, yeah. Oh, one more. Nice. Okay, grip strength. We've been working on this a lot lately, but when pushing, pulling, grabbing, reaching, all those things, we want to have good strength here. Get that great athletic stance. Prayer posture and push. Push, push, push as hard as you can. Feel that in the entirety of your arm. Blow away the mosquitoes. Feel good. Yes, feel good. Push, 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 push. Now, pull apart. Make a fist. And like you're pulling something apart, feel it in the entirety of your arm. Feel it. Woo. Start to tremble a bit. Open up the chest. Oh, and shake that out. Shake, shake, shake. Ready? Again. Push, push, push. As hard as you can. Come on. Feel it in the entirety of your arm. You got this. Come on. This is so that you can garden when you're 120. Do it. And now grip. Make a fist. Pull it apart. Pull it apart. Engage your core. Feel it. Yes. And shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. One more time. Yes, one more time. I love it. Come on. Ready? Pray, 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 pray. I wish this was over. I wish this was over. No, no, we don't. We embrace the challenges. Let's go. Push together. Push. Feel it. Feel it. Head up high. I'm strong. I'm strong. Make a fist. Pull apart. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Pull it. Yes. Shake it out. Glory. Let's finish. Strong. Do you have your chair? Take a moment, grab your chair. We should have been doing much more of this. See my locations, I'm not finding benches or chairs. My bad. We should be doing this, all of us, every day. Sit to stand. This is such a good marker of health. 30 seconds, how many times can you get up and down? It's a great test to see what our strength is, where our strength is at. You just do you. Maybe you need to use your hands to help push off. But just sit, think about everything that's happening here. We do this every day. Why not practice it so that we do it more efficiently? We're building strength in our legs. We need core stability. That's gonna help with our balance. But if we can get on and off a chair with ease and strength, and we're 120, that's a pretty good box to tick. Just go at your pace, do what you can. But I encourage you to please do this throughout your day, just for a little bit of movement. Oh, I'm gonna do 10 more. I'm gonna do 5. Maybe we could try a couple with our eyes closed if that's safe for you. This chair is a little rickety, but I'll give it a go. Oh yeah, that adds a whole new a whole new dynamic. Speaking is hard sometimes. This is just a beautiful move too. Oh, this is gonna make us function so much better when we get in the garden, or go for our evening walk, or go for a swim, or play with the grandkids, whatever it is. Oh yeah, eyes closed a couple times. And you can always come up off your chair, balls of the feet, add another dynamic that's gonna improve our balance, our core stability. More sit to stands have to come as we go forward. This is an absolutely amazing move that we do every day, so why not practice? So we get super strong. Okay, 2 more. Shake it out. Wow, that was amazing. I feel like $1 million dollars, euros, wherever we're at, it's fine. Oh, let's just take a minute to breathe. Just be, just notice. My heart rate's up. I'm gonna focus right there, just on the beating of my heart. The ability to pay attention, to focus, to take a moment. All humanity's problems stem from man's inability to sit quietly in a room alone. Blaise Pascal, 15th century. I think it's so true. The ability to just be, to sit quietly by ourselves. How about that? We move so that when we get into the garden, we can have those moments of stillness and just be, without the need to pull out our phone, to be distracted, to just be. Oh. Let me know how it went today. Please comment and let me know. Yeah, these community gardens in the place that you live, it's so beautiful. I feel so grateful to live here. I feel so grateful to have you showing up every day so that we can continue to move our bodies so that we can be gardening when we're 120 and healthy, of course. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.